The Asia-Pacific calendar in the week ahead will be highlighted by Japanese inflation and the Bank of Japan's interest rate decision, while providing further color on Australia's housing and labor markets. We kicks into gear Monday with a report from Australia's Housing Industry Association on new home sales in November, as well as the Reserve Bank of Australia's latest meeting minutes. The RBA had kept its cash rate at 1.5% at its previous monetary policy meeting, where it's been since August 2016. The RBA has said that slow wage growth and a lack of domestic retail pricing pressures have contributed to stubbornly low inflation levels. Meanwhile, investors Tuesday will receive Japanese trade data for November after incurring a larger than expected deficit in the prior month. The figures will be followed on Wednesday by New Zealand's GDP for the third quarter, Australia's employment situation for November, as well as the BOJ's interest rate decision. Japan's central bank has been committed to propping up inflation in the country by maintaining a negative interest rate policy, as well as purchases of government bonds and other assets, including ETFs, Japan real estate investment trusts, and corporate bonds. BOJ Governor Haruhiko Kuroda said that Japan's economy is likely to continue its moderate expansion. However, risks to the outlook are skewed to the downside, especially given developments in overseas economies, including the consequences of protectionist moves and their effects. The BOJ's decision will be followed on Thursday by an updated reading on Japanese inflation for November, after consumer prices in the previous month rose at the fastest clip since February. Thursday will also bring an interest rate decision from Indonesia's central bank, then on Friday by the Central Bank of Taiwan. The Taiwanese central bank had kept its key policy rates unchanged at its prior meeting in late September, saying that since mid-2018, global economic uncertainties such as U.S.-China trade conflicts have contributed to slightly slower export growth, with domestic demand remaining its key driver of its economy. Against this backdrop, the bank added that stable employment and higher wages have helped spur moderate growth in private consumption. Taiwan will also produce its unemployment rate for November on Saturday, after remaining unchanged at 3.7% in October. In the meantime, select the event calendar option in the IBKR Trader workstation for a full list of U.S. and global corporate events and earnings, dividend schedules, economic data, IPOs, and more. I'm Steven Levine for Interactive Brokers, asking you to enjoy the week ahead.